Hello everybody, welcome to judycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you the paper 2 of UKPSC APO exam, which is going to be held in this year 2021, and I would be discussing with you the previous year solved question paper of the year 2016. Yesterday I have uploaded the solved paper of GS and I would share the link in the description box below. And today I would be discussing the paper 2, which is relating to law subjects. And let me tell you, there are a total number of 100 questions which I would be discussing with you today. So let us start. Question number 1. Which one of the following cases is related to joint liability under Indian Penal Code? This option number B, Mehboob Shah versus Emperor. So this case is actually relating to section 34 of IPC, which deals with common intention. 2. The provision that act done in good faith for benefit of child or insane person by or by consent of guardian is provided under which section of the Indian Penal Code? So this provision is given under option number A, section 89. 3. Z under the influence of involuntary drunkenness attempts to kill A. Here Z is guilty of the offence of, this is option number D, no offence. Then question number 4. The presence of abettor when offence is committed is provided in Indian Penal Code under option number D, section 114. 5th, A without any excuse fires a loaded cannon into a crowd of persons and kills one of them. Here A has committed the offence of, this is option number C, murder, and this has been given under section 300 and explanation D. Then question number 6. Section 366B of the Indian Penal Code is related to the offence of, this option number A, importation of girl from foreign country. 7. Attempt to commit robbery is punishable under Indian Penal Code in option number D, section 393A. A by pledging as diamonds article which he knows are not diamond intentionally deceives Z and thereby dishonestly induces Z to lend money. Here A is guilty of the offence of option number B, cheating. Question number 9. Whoever being the husband or relative of the husband of a woman subjects to such woman to cruelty shall be punished with, this option number C, imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine, given under section 498A of IPC. 10. Under which of the following sections of the Indian Penal Code marriage ceremony fraudulently gone through without lawful marriage is punishable? It is given under section 496, option number B. Then question number 11. In which of the following offence mens rea is not an essential element under Indian Penal Code? This is option number A, bigamy. So bigamy doesn't require mens rea as it's an essential element. Question number 12. Under the Indian Penal Code, the offence of stalking has been defined. Option number D, section 354D. 13. Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab is related with which of the following offence? This is option number C, attempt to commit suicide. 14. A is the lover of B's wife and receives valuable property belonging to her husband knowing she has no such authority, is guilty of the offence of option number B, theft. Question number 15. Under which of the following offences of Indian Penal Code even preparation to commit the offence is also punishable with rigorous imprisonment? This is option number D, dacoity, given under section 399 of IPC. 16. A instigate B to murder C, but the offence is however not committed. Here A is liable, option number C, to imprisonment for up to 7 years and fine. That means this is the punishment provided for abetting the offence, for abettor. Question number 17. A causes cattle to enter upon a field belonging to B, intending to cause and knowing that it is likely to cause damage to B's crop. A is guilty of the offence of option number D, mischief. 18. A found B a feeble woman stealing his crop and beats her so violently that she died. Here A would be liable for the offence of, this is option number B, murder. 19. Which one of the following is not an essential element of the offence of acid attack mentioned under section 326A of the Indian Penal Code? This is option number C, only bodily pain. Question number 20. Where a man secretly captures images of a woman who was using washroom for changing her clothes will be guilty for the offence under Indian Penal Code under option number A, Section 354C. 21. A man who monitors the use by a woman of internet, email or any other form of electronic communication commits the offence of option number D, stalking. 22. The famous pronouncement of Delhi High Court regarding constitutional validity of Section 377 Indian Penal Code was reversed by the Supreme Court in option number C, Suresh Kaushal versus Nas Foundation. In this case, the Supreme Court has actually reversed the judgment by the Delhi High Court in the case of Nas Foundation versus Government of NCT Delhi. 23. For the offences relating to marriage under the Indian Penal Code, the minimum punishment has been provided under this option number B, section 498. Then question number 24. A enters B through a window with a view to intimidate B. Here A has committed the offence of option number C, housebreaking, given under section 445 of IPC. 25. A pulls an earring worn by a woman and thereby tears and wounds her ear badly. Here A is guilty of the offence of robbery, section 390 IPC. 26. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? This option number D is 497, because 497 deals with the offence of adultery. 27. According to 82, section 82 of the Indian Penal Code, nothing is an offence which is committed by a child under option number C, 7 years of age. 28. The offence of dacoity under Indian Penal Code may be committed by way of option number D, by way of robbery only, and it is given under section 391 of IPC, the definition of dacoity. 29. Under this section of the Indian Penal Code, the punishment for attempting to commit offence is punishable with imprisonment for life or other imprisonment is provided. This is option number C, section 511, which deals with punishment for attempting to commit offences punishable with imprisonment for life or other imprisonment, and the punishment which is not therefore provided. 30. The minimum number of persons to an agreement to be desired as criminal conspiracy under section 120 of the Indian Penal Code is option number A, 2. 31. Under the Indian Penal Code, whosoever by force compels or by deceitful means induces any person to go from any place commit the offence of option number B, abduction. 32. Dishonest misappropriation of property possessed by the deceased person at the time of his death is an offence punishable under Indian Penal Code, is given under section 404 of IPC. 33. According to section 304B of Indian Penal Code, whoever commits dowry death is punishable with imprisonment which shall not be less than option number B, 7 years. 34. Which of the following offence was not inserted in the Indian Penal Code by the Indian Criminal Amendment Act 2013? This is option number D, lurking house trespass. Question number 35. Under which section of the Indian Penal Code voluntarily throwing or attempting to throw acid is an offence? This is option number C, section 326B. 36. Lakshmi versus Union of India is a case which is related to the offence of option number A, acid attack. 37. Indian Evidence Act 1872 was enacted on the date of option number C, 15th March 1872. 38. Law of evidence consists of which of the following? So it consists of legal rules of evidence, option number B. Then question number 39. Which of the following is not included in the expression of court under Indian Evidence Act 1872? This is option number D, arbitrator. 40. Any such fact which possesses probative force is called evidence. The definition belongs to whom of the following? So this definition is given by option number B, Stephen. 41. Which one of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act makes relevant the opinions as to existence of custom? So this is given under section 48 of Indian Evidence Act. 42. Who can make an admission under the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Option number A, person from whom interest is derived, and given under section 17 of Indian Evidence Act, which deals with admissions. Question number 43. Under which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act opinion as to handwriting has been considered to be relevant? Is option number B, section 47. 44. For an offence under section 376 of Indian Penal Code, the evidence of character of the victim is not relevant. Under which section of the Indian Evidence Act? This is given under option number D, section 53A. 45. Dudnath Pandey versus State of Uttar Pradesh is a case which is related in the law of evidence with the topic of option number B, plea of alibi. 46. Presumption of life is contained under which section of the Indian Evidence Act? This is option number D, section 107. It deals with presumption of life, and which says that suppose if a person is not hurt for 7 years, and suppose if there is a contention that that person was alive within a span of 30 years, and that burden of proof is on that person who actually believes that he was alive within the span of 30 years. Then 47, relevancy and admissibility under Indian Evidence Act 1872 are the terms which are, these are neither synonymous nor coextensive. Option number C. 48, which one of the following term is not inclusive in section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act? This is option number B, intention. So section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act deals with motive, preparation and conduct. 49, confession of one accused person is relevant against another co-accused person under which section of the Indian Evidence Act? This is option number D, section 30. Then question number 50, oral evidence under section 60 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 must be option number A, direct only. 51, public documents are mentioned under Indian Evidence Act 1872 in option number C, section 74. 52, which one of the following is not the exception to the rule of hearsay under law of evidence? This is option number D, expert's opinion. 53, test identification period under the law of evidence is option number B, corroborative evidence. 54, when can prosecution be allowed to ask leading questions to its own witness? This is option number A, examination in chief. 55, which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act applies to the pleaders relating to professional communications? This is option number D, section 126 and 127. 56, which one of the following is not the prerequisite of presumption as to dowry death under section 113B of the Indian Evidence Act? This is option number C, victim had illicit relationship with other male person. So this is not a prerequisite of presumption under dowry death. Then question number 57, the principle that possession is prima facie proof of ownership is contained under Indian Evidence Act in section 110. 58, under Indian Evidence Act 1872 a public document can be proved by option number C, certified copy. 59, evidence given by a dumb witness in the court by writing or sign shall be deemed to be option number B, oral evidence. 60, section 112 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 applies where there is a dispute regarding the paternity of a child. Then question number 61, the Criminal Amendment Act 2013 relates to which sections of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? So by this amendment, section 53A, 114A, 119 and 146 sections has been added in the Indian Evidence Act. 62, any private person may arrest any person who in his presence commits a cognizable and non-bailable offence, option number C. 63, magistrate may convert summon case into warrant case during trial in the interest of justice if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a trial for a term, option number D, exceeding 6 months. So if the offence is punishable for a term of exceeding 6 years, then the magistrate has the power to convert the summons case to warrant case. 64, no court shall take cognizance of an offence punishable with not more than 3 years after the expiry of option number C, 3 years. 65, under section 248 clause 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, option number B, conviction and sentence cannot be passed on the same date. Then question number 66, in the writ petition of Constable 243 CP Mohan Singh and others versus State of Uttarakhand and others 2014 Uttarakhand High Court, the fact issue is related to option number A, promotion. Question number 67, which section of the Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 defines witnesses? So this is option number D, section 2ZC. So you will also be having questions from Uttarakhand Police Act 2007. 68. Under the Uttarakhand Police Act 2007, who is empowered to create railway police districts? This is option number C, state government. 69. Who can make regulations for prevention or investigation of crimes and maintenance of law and order? This is option number A, subject to the approval of state government, the Director General of Police. 70. Before whom the annual report of the State Police Complaints Authority shall be laid down. This is option number C, State Assembly. Question number 71. Who who shall be the chairperson of Uttarakhand State Police Board? Option number B, Home Minister. Then 72, who shall be the chairperson of Police Establishment Committee? This is option number D, Director General of Police. 73, in exceptional circumstances, who is authorized to direct the police force and armed police units in revenue police area? This is option number C, District Magistrate. 74, which of the following sections of the Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 permits the police officer to take charge of unclaimed movable property not being a case property? This is option number B, section 46. 75, who is empowered to frame rules for witness protection as a measure of human rights protection? This is option number A, state government. 76, which chapter of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 is related to the police accountability? This is option number C, chapter 8. Question number 77, police personnel means such police officers whose appointing authority is option number B, Director General of Police or any officer subordinate to him. Question number 78, a person may be appointed as an independent member of State Police Board for a term of option number D, 2 years. 79, who among the following may establish Bureau of Police Research and Development? This is option number C, state government. 80, the State Police Complaints Committee shall forward the complaints of misconduct received by it for further action to the Director General of Police. 81, Directorate of Prosecution may be established by the state government. Officer in charge. 82, officer in charge of police station shall report the cases of all persons arrested without warrant to option number D, District Magistrate. Then question number 83. So now you have understood, like from local laws of Uttarakhand, you may have questions around 20 this time, because if I talk about the previous year question paper which I am discussing with you right now, I can see like around 20 questions were asked from the local laws such as Uttarakhand Police Act 2007. So you may witness this year a question of around 20 from this topic. 83, a warrant of arrest may be executed, option number C, at any place in India. 84, security for keeping peace and good behavior from habitual offenders may be ordered by the option number B, executive magistrate. 85, imprisonment for failure to give security for keeping the peace shall be option number B, simple. Question number 86, in which of the following case prosecution witness was prosecuted for perjury? This option number C is Jessica Lal case. 87, in which of the following case it was held that High Court cannot directly entertain bail application of quota accused without the refusal by special court? So this is actually been held in the case of option number A, State of Gujarat versus S.A. Sheikh. 88, in which of the following case it was held that the provision of section 164 of Code of Criminal Procedure is to be strictly complied with? So this has been said by option number B in Babu Bhai Uday Singh Parmar versus State of Gujarat. 89, right of an arrested indigent person to free legal aid and to be informed about was upheld in option number C, Khatri versus State of Bihar. 90, conditional order for removal of nuisance may be passed by this option number D. This is given under section 133 of CRPC, district magistrate or subdivisional magistrate or both. 91, under which of the following sections of the Code of Criminal Procedure an order of injunction may be issued by the executive magistrate? So this power has been given under section 142 of CRPC. Then question number 92, any magistrate who has made an order of detention under section 167 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 shall forward a copy of his order to option number A to the Chief Judicial Magistrate. Then question number 93, during trial and before the charge has been framed, if complainant doesn't appear on the date fixed for his appear, then the magistrate may option number C, acquit the accused. 94, the composition of an offence under section 320 of CRPC shall have the effect of acquittal because section 320 deals with compounding of offences. 95, under the Indian Constitution, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 has been kept in, this is option number C, concurrent list. 96, in which of the following case it was held that identity of the victim is not to be disclosed even in the judgment of the court? This is option number C, Dinesh versus State of Rajasthan. 97. The Criminal Amendment Act 2013 came into force on option number B 3rd of February 2013. 98. Which of the following is not correctly met under CRPC? This is option number C, bailable offence section 2B. 99. Which of the following section of the CRPC has not been inserted by Criminal Amendment Act 2013? This is option number D, section 55A, which deals with appropriate government. And 100. Which of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 provides that court will not alter the judgment after signing on it? So this has been given under section 362 of CRPC, option number C. So this is the session for today, and I hope you all have liked it. Do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to the channel. So till we meet the next time, thank you and have a nice day.